Hello dear students, so let us go through history mock test paper for first semester. Okay, so the answers are already marked over here. You can just go through it. Definitely it will help you in your preparation for your first semester examination. Okay, so let us go through it one by one. Altogether 80 questions are there, and the time allotted is 1.5 hours, and each and every questions carries 1 mark each. So let us go through it one by one, and if possible you can mark it in your copies also. You can take the screenshot of this paper, okay, so that it will be beneficial for you when you prepare for your first semester examination. Okay, so let's start. Number one, when was the third round table conference held in London? That is 1931. Number two, which two provinces had non-congress ministers after the election of 1937? Punjab and Assam. So here a little bit of auto correction, E, F, G, H. So it will be A, B, C, and D. Okay. So C is the correct answer. This one C. Okay. Now number three. In which session Muslim League came up with the two-nation theory? Lahore session. Number four. Why was Cripps mission sent to India? To break the political deadlock between Indian leaders and the British government. Number five. Why did Congress ministers resign in 1939? Because they were not consulted by British over war issues. Number 6, why were many Congress leaders arrested on 9th August 1942? So definitely to make the movement unsuccessful. So you may think to stop the spread of Quit India movement, because after the arrest of leaders also Quit India movement spread. So according to me, option C is correct, to make the movement unsuccessful. Number 7, who was defeated by Subhash Chandra Bose during his re-election as president of INC at Tripuri session in 1939? It is B. Patabi Sitaramaiah. Number 8, the title of Father of Nation was given to Mahatma Gandhi by whom? Who gave the title? So it is Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 9, which day was declared as Direct Action Day by Muslim League? 16th August 1946. Number 10, according to Mountbatten Plan, where would a referendum take place? Northwest Frontier Province. Okay. Number 11, on February 28, 1947, British Prime Minister Clement Attlee announced that deadline to solve issue for granting of independence to India would be June 1948. Okay. Number 12, in which year Hyderabad became a part of Indian Union? 1948. State Reorganization Commission was also known as Fazal Ali Commission. 14, Indian states were divided into how many groups before independence? This you can do it yourself also. Number 15, which state was formed on linguistic basis on 1936? Odisha. Who raised the slogan Garibi Hatao? Indira Gandhi. The mass sterilization program in 1976 was initiated by Sanjay Gandhi. Syndicate means a group of influential Congress leaders. Number 19, name of the movement which toppled the Gujarat government in 1974 was Navnirman movement. BCSS stand for Bihar Chhatra Sangharsh Samiti. 21, which one of the following chronological order of the given event is correct? C. Cabinet mission, after that Mountbatten Plan, then Indian Independence Act. Number 22, where did it start the Navnirman movement? Gujarat. On which date nationwide emergency was proclaimed? 25th June 1975. Who was the president of BCSS? Lalu Prasad Yadav. So 25, Gulzar's film Dash was banned because the film was based on Indira Gandhi. So which among these is the name of the movie? So the name of the movie is Andhi. Who became the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India in 1977? Morarji Desai. 27, who founded the Communist Party of India? Charu Majumdar. Which one of the following chronological order of the given event is correct? A. Gujarat agitation, then Bihar agitation, then total revolution. The next 29, do or die was a popular slogan given during Quit India movement. The main objective of Khalistan movement was to have a separate Sikh country. 31, whose death part of violence protest in Andhra Pradesh, Andhra region, Potti Siramullu. The persistent demand made by states in 1952 forced the government to come up with the State Reorganization Act. 32, who was the Chief Minister of Bihar when agitation took place in Bihar in 1974? Abdul Ghaffur. Who was the chief minister of Gujarat when the Nav Nirman Andolan took place? Chimanbhai Patel. 33. Name the operation launched to free Golden Temple from the militants. Operation Blue Star. Punjab Accord was signed between Sant Longowal and Rajiv Gandhi. The most prominent leader of Nagas was A.N. Pizzo, that is Pizzo is mentioned, A.N. Pizzo. Nagas began a separatist movement because they wanted to protect their cultural identity. 35. Nagaland was established as the smallest state in 1963. Mizoram attained full statehood in 1987. The main demand of ASU was expulsion of foreigners. Assam Accord was signed in 1885. 37. Which of these was not a measure taken during the emergency of 1975-76? D. Increase in the power of judiciary. Why was 42nd Amendment adopted? To give greater power to the Prime Minister. 38. Why was Harcharan Singh Longowal assassinated? Because he cooperated it with the central government. Which of the following is not a term of Punjab Accord? Construction of Satluj Yamuna link canal would continue. 39. Which among the following freedom fighter was not a part of Quit India movement? So all these were the part. One more option I missed over here, so that is the correct answer. Okay, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, I had mentioned it over here, so D would be correct. It is missed over here. Number 2, Quit India movement is also known as August movement. Which among the following is not in the context of proclamation of emergency? Naxalite movement. Which of the following, sorry, match the following? So accordingly, so total revolution is related with JP movement, Garibi Hatao, Indira Gandhi, student protest, Bihar movement, okay, then railway strike, George Fernandez. So B is the correct one. Okay. 41. Which of the following is not correct about Subhash Chandra Bose? B. He became the Congress president for the first time in 1839. It's wrong. Okay. Who is the 1939 also is wrong. If I put 1939 also is wrong. Okay. Who is known as the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose? Chitranjan Das. Which political outfit was banned during emergency? RSS. Why was emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi? To safeguard her position. 43. Which of the following was not a recommendation of cabinet mission? 2 dominion would be established. So spelling mistake. 2 TW or 2 dominion status would be given. So it was not discussed in the cabinet mission. So P is correct. Which is the correct pair of first Governor General of Free India and Pakistan? D. Lord Mountbatten and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 44. Which government came to power after 1977? Janata Party. Bihar movement in 1974 was led by Jayaprakash Narayan. 45. Which of the following chronological order of the given event is correct? D. Dhar Commission, JBP Committee, State Reorganization Commission. 45. 2. Which of the following is not a reason why JBP Committee was reluctant to divide India along linguistic lines? D. India would be able to develop our economy rapidly. 46. Indian subcontinent. Okay, so read it. Who was the Prime Minister of India during Indo-Pak War in 1965? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Tashkent Agreement was signed between Lal Bahadur Shastri and Ayub Khan. Voluntary group that fought a guerrilla war against West Pakistan was called Mukti Wahini. Simla Agreement was signed between Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Subhash Chandra Bose, or Netaji as he is fondly known as, is one of the most revered freedom fighter in India. So accordingly, idea of INA was first conceived in Malia by Mohan Singh. Which of the following movement gave a fillip to INA? Quit India movement. INA was founded in Singapore. Slogan Jai Hind and Delhi Chalo was given by Subhash Chandra Bose. 48. So on the basis of that princely states integration, you have to answer it. Nawab of Junagadh decided to join Pakistan because C. He was Muslim and wanted to join Pakistan. 2. Indian leaders decided to accept the people's decision not to join Pakistan. 3. The people of Junagadh decided to force their Nawab to join India. Number 4. The issue was settled when A and B is correct. Okay, both A and B is correct. 49. Which among the following is not a cause of Naxal movement? Implementation 9 schedule. B. Majumdar was born in Siliguri. Who wrote the historic 8 document? Charu Majumdar. Charu Majumdar died on 28 20, so date is mentioned 28th October 1972. 28th October 1972. Okay, the next 50. What was the main objective of JP movement? To topple the government. Why did JP tour India? To create an anti-Indra awareness. By Sampurn Kranti, JP meant complete revolution. The parties that supported JP were Socialist Party and Akali Dal movement. So dear students, I hope this mock test paper will help you a lot in your preparation for your first semester examination. So if this is beneficial for you, please do comment in the comment box. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.